Hi, I'm Mark. I'm here to introduce you to the new Protester. The Protester tests shock absorbers based on the traditional bounce test. The sensor has a cushioned area that can protect the bodywork and has a magnet that can be attached to the fenders of the car. On this side of the sensor, it has a grooved slice that can be aligned into the socket of the Protester, like so. Tighten the threaded nut, like so, and you're ready for the test. The pulse toggle switch here can be flipped forward, and you'll notice the power light comes on, indicating that the device is on. The blue light over here, or ready, indicates that the Protester is recording data. We have the size of the vehicle here, the selector. We select small, medium or large. Small can be anything from a small hatchback to a small sedan. The medium can be anything from a family sedan to a medium pickup. The large can be a SUV or a biggish pickup truck. Then we have the corner selector knobs. You can select between rear or front, or left or right. The printer area has a little lever here that you can take the paper out, like so, and put it back in. It uses standard paper which you can get at any market. It has a button here on the printer to feed the paper out, and here is the print button to give you a print out of the results. I'm going to give you a demonstration of how the Protester actually works. But before I do that, I want to show you how to charge it overnight. After a hard day's testing, this end goes into a standard 220 volt AC power socket in any house or workshop plug. On this end is a 3-pin plug that gets plugged into the bottom over here, like so, and this side gets into the plug. There's no time limit or time restriction of charge, but a good night's charge will do the trick. Now for the demonstration, I'm going to test the front right corner. I take my sensor and attach it in line with my shock absorber, like so. Because this is my very first test for this car, everything here is off. Now I can switch it on. Because this is a medium-sized hatchback, I prefer medium, but every technician has a preference. I can select front and right, which already is on. Right, now that my blue light is on already, this tells me that the data is busy being recorded at the moment. So I'm ready to do the test. So I can do the test now by pushing down the car. And you'll notice that the blue light has gone off and that my shock absorber condition is good, indicated by the green light. I'm done with the test, so I can take my sensor off without touching anything on the control panel, put it back on my body of the Protester, and move on to the next one. I take my sensor, put it in line with my shock absorber, and select rear. You'll notice that my blue light has come back on, telling me that I'm ready to rock and roll. you would have noticed that the blue light has gone off and the orange or inspect has come on. This indicates that the shock absorber needs to be inspected. So the technician needs to go under the car and inspect physically of any component that could have failed or needs replacement. I then take the the sensor off and move to the next corner without touching any controls. Take my sensor again and put it in line of the shock absorber. Because it's now the left hand side of the vehicle, I select left. My blue light has come on, meaning I'm ready. My blue light has gone off and my green light has come on, indicating that the shock absorber is in a good condition. I take my sensor off again without touching any controls and move on to the last corner. Again, I put the sensor in line and select front, like so. My blue light has come on, indicating it is ready. Push down on the car and the blue light has gone off and the shock absorber is in a good condition. Now that all my tests have been done, I can simply give a printout of all my results. My shock absorber test condition: front left shock, good condition; front right shock, good condition; rear left condition, good condition; and then rear right shock needs to be inspected. So this little slip can be presented to a client, gaining the confidence to replace a shock absorber or just having an inspection on the car for general service. This is a quick demonstration on how to use the protester. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.